Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back in Old Man Beer Brats on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560, folks. And if those of you who don't know, I am from Wisconsin, and we take a lot of pride in our beer brats, folks. There's a lot of different schools of thought, but I'll tell you what, I believe ours is the best. And I'm starting with some good brats made right here in Wisconsin, Klements, hometown brats. What we're gonna do, and I do them a little bit different than everybody else. I put a little sear on them first, put them off this side, then you can see I've got a cast iron that's gonna go in the grill, and we're gonna saute some onions and some butter, and then we're gonna add beer, put our brats in there, and just let them simmer for a couple hours, and we'll serve them right from that. So I'll tell you what, oh man, this is good eating, folks. So tell you, let me show you how I do beer brats the Wisconsin way. All right, folks, there's our brats, and we're gonna sear these first. And the Masterbuilt is actually very good for this because it gets up to high temps. It's got that nice cast iron grate. I've got a lot of people that are saying that they should poke holes in your brats, and absolutely not. Who's coming up with that crazy idea? If you're getting your brats so hot that they split open, then that's your fault. You don't want to do that. So we're just gonna get them on here. Like I said, I want to get a sear on there on both sides, and I've got the grill set at 500, and we'll give you a look-see as we proceed. I've been in there for a minute or two. You can hear them sizzling away. Now we don't, like I said, we just see that right there. That's what you're looking for. That's all we want to do. We just want to get it browned up a little bit, get a little sear on there. We don't want to break anything open. And I'm gonna keep on turning these, but that's what you're looking for right there. That was at 500. That was about 2 minutes. All right, let's take a look at the other side. That was probably another 2.5 minutes. And you can see that those are ready to come off. That's all you gotta do, folks. So I'm gonna take these off. We're gonna get our cast iron in there and let that preheat. All right, folks, got our pan in there. We've got 1 stick of butter just about melted down. I think I can hear it sizzling in there. Take a look. Oh yeah, ready to put some onions in. And I've got a whole bunch of them here. Remember, these are gonna melt down, so just gonna these in. And give them a chance to saute a little bit once they've sauteed enough, and then we'll add our beer. Getting ready for the beer, folks. You're gonna have nothing but the best when you're doing beer brats from the land of sky blue waters, folks. Can't get any better than hams. All right, let's take a quick look. See, our onions are starting to get nice and soft, so we're gonna go ahead and add our beer. We're gonna add 1 can at a time. Nice thing about using the cast iron is that it holds the heat real good. Hot. All right, so after two cans, now I'm gonna put my brats in. Put them in the bath more or less. It's about as authentic as it comes, folks. We got brats that are made here in Wisconsin. Beer that is made, well, it says it's made in Wisconsin. Yeah, Hams Brewing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And the guy who's cooking it's from Wisconsin also. So we got everything here. This is, if you're wondering how many brats this is 15. Before we serve them, I'm sure that number is going to go down because yours truly is going to definitely have to have one. So we'll put our other beer on there, and then I'm going to leave it uncovered, turn down to 325, let it simmer for a while, give you a look-see. All right, folks, I know I said 325, but I put it at 350, 348 there, and holding right around 350 there. This thing is amazing how it dials itself in. It just really is. Let's take a quick look here. So you can see they're starting to boil. And what we're going to do is that's what we're looking for. We're going to put the cover on, and then we're going to set this down to 225 and just let it simmer away for an hour or two. And give you a look-see when we got one of them plated up. Oh, this is going to be good, folks. Oh, there it is, folks. Beer brought made here in Wisconsin, and you know what? It wouldn't be right without secret stadium sauce. Stuff is awesome, folks. Hope you enjoy this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.